Erin and the Wildfire, the band with us today, have been jamming together since 2012, and they're hot on the Virginia music scene with their unique mix of rock, soul, and funk. We're going to hear from them in just a minute or so, but let's meet the band and find out more about Erin and the Wildfire. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How you doing?
We're great.
Good. We're so glad to have, living the dream. I like that. Good to have you all back with us. Such a unique sound that you brought to us last time. We got so much great feedback.
Thank you.
You've been together for 5 years. Is this the original incarnation of the band? Have you all been together all that time?
This is close, yeah. So these two guys have been with me since day one. Ryan joined us a year later. It's day two. And Erin was day 3.
That's awesome. So your sound and music, how did you figure out that's where you wanted to go with your musical direction?
It's a great question. So at first we certainly didn't know, and we were playing lots of stuff that was not us, you know. We started off with kind of a singer-songwriter feel because I used to play guitar and write songs, and then the band would learn them. But we eventually kind of navigated our way through what genres we really enjoyed playing the most and what lent itself to, you know, our skills, and we kind of landed on soul funk, or that's what we're trying to hit still.
Mm-hmm. And how much does audience feedback play into the direction that you went into?
A little bit. I feel like it was mostly an internal decision.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
And then you take it out to the audience.
Yeah.
That works.
Absolutely. They were like, man, we really hate this. So we were like, we have to change what we're doing. Yeah.
So you're a singer-songwriter, and you've got your first full-length CD out as a band. Mm-hmm. And I was reading a little bit about it, and it's kind of like getting into your business a little bit.
It is, yeah. It's very personal.
Yeah. Why did you decide to put it all out there like that?
Well, I think that for me, that's what the music is about. Is it's like catharsis. You know, I like write out what I'm feeling, and sometimes the band knows every detail of what I'm talking about, but not always for all the songs. But it's a way for me to get it out there and deal with things that I'm going through. So I write it into a song, and then the band helps me express it in a live performance.
So it was kind of like your journey looking for true love?
Sure. Any
sure.
Kind of love
Why
at this point.
You might find it when you're out on the road. What's it like touring as a band?
Oh, it's great. We haven't done a ton of extensive touring, but we've done a little bit, and it's really fun. Right now, the heat is broken in our van, so it's days like this morning that are, you know, tough on the road. But most of the time, it's really jolly. This is a really hilarious bunch. Just wait till you hear him talk.
Yeah, it was interesting because one of the things about you, it said that the band has goofy charm. Mm-hmm. What does that mean?
It's Matt.
It's all you. You're the funny one. You're the goofy charm. I like that.
No, we actually say Nick is the funny one.
So funny, man. Nice. I thought I did machines.
Machines? You play drums and do it very well. That's a good thing. The album is called Thirst.
Yes.
And when did it come out?
It came out online at the end of September, and we started promoting it in early September. So we've been touring with it for a few months now.
Mm-hmm. That's nice. And you made your way up the road. You talked about driving in the heatless van from Charlottesville.
Yes.
So that's kind of, is that home base for everybody?
It is, yeah. Actually, Erin lives here in Richmond, but he's from Charlottesville originally. And maybe some of us might be navigating this way pretty soon. We'll see.
Oh, well, that would be good. Then you would be the Richmond-based band.
Yeah.
Erin and the Wildfire. Well, thank you so much, and thanks for making the road trip without the heat this morning.
Absolutely.
Well, right now, an original song from their first full-length album called Thirst, performing Meant for Me. This is Erin and the Wildfire.
You played a song that I wanted to be for me. You played it right at me. I felt your eyes